everyone, Emily Allison here. Welcome to Emily Everything, and in this video I'm going to teach you a Kundalini Yoga exercise called Ego Eradicator. Before we get started, I would love to invite you to please like and subscribe to my channel and ring that little bell so that you can be notified when I post new videos. So before we get started, we tune in with Ong Namo Guru Dev Namo. That is a chant that we say 3 times, and we tune in before we start every Kundalini Yoga exercise or set. And then I will teach you the exercise, and then when we finish, we close the set with a long Sat Nam. So get yourself seated in easy pose here with your legs crossed. And if it's not comfortable for you, you can totally change it up if you need to go on your side or onto your knees. If this is more comfortable for you, then that works too. So sitting in easy pose, spine nice and straight, drop your shoulders, slightly tuck your chin in, not too much, but just a little bit so that you're not like this, just nice like that. Rub your hands together. Bring them in prayer position in front of the heart. Inhale and begin. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Okay, Ego Eradicator. So sitting in easy pose, raise the arms up to 60-degree angle. Curl your fingertips onto the pads of your hands at the base of the fingers and plug the thumbs into the sky. With eyes closed, concentrate above the head and do breath of fire. We're going to do that for 3 minutes. Now, breath of fire, as I've taught you before in a previous video, is a pumping of the stomach and only breathing through the nose. It looks like this. It's an even in and out breath, and it's kind of like, one of my mentors taught me, it's kind of like having a mosquito try to fly up your nose, and you're trying to blow it out. It's a little bit forceful. So with the hands up in the sky like this, about 60 degrees, plug the thumbs up, curl the fingers in, tuck your chin in, inhale and begin. Keep breathing, keep going. Drop your shoulders, keep breathing. Eyes closed, focus above the head. Inhale, suspend the breath. Exhale through the nose. Relax the arms. Place the hands on top of the knees. And breathe naturally. And you can keep your eyes closed or keep your eyes open just for a few minutes. Keep breathing. And let your breath return to its natural state. Give yourself a moment to sit with yourself, sit with your experience. Feel everything that you're feeling. And as you keep breathing, returning to neutral state, I will read to you the comments about Ego Eradicator. This exercise opens the lungs and brings the hemispheres of the brain to a state of alertness and consolidates the magnetic field. You can do this exercise for 1 to 3 minutes on your own, or we can do it together in this video. And now you know how to do Ego Eradicator, which is a Kundalini Yoga exercise. And we will close with a long Sat Nam to end the set. Rub your hands together. Place the hands at the heart, drop the shoulders, sit nice and straight. Inhale and begin. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Thank you for joining me, everyone, today. My name is Emily Allison. This is Emily Everything. And if you would like to order for yourself a Sat Nam tank top like the one I'm wearing today, you can do so. I will put the links in the description box below, and that helps to support me and my channel. I also have other Kundalini Yoga outfits and clothing and hats and flip-flops and all sorts of stuff on that little link down there in the store. So please feel free to visit, and we will see you in the next video. So thanks for joining me. Ciao for now.